Hi, I'm Bruce, and I'm Sheila. Welcome to the huge crocodile hunting experience. We've travelled halfway around the world just to get here in Penrith, Australia, to hunt the wily and elusive Penrith crocodile. These species of crocodiles, the Penrith crocodile, can get up to 25 feet long, and they eat old women. Oh, there's one now. Sheila, get it! To wrestle these crocodiles, you must take it around the neck and drown it slowly. Oh gosh, Sheila needs help! We finally got it! Remember kids, we're trained professionals. Have a try this at home.